Today I want to introduce you to a workshop called Bargello. This, I understand, is a terminology that patchworkers have taken from the embroiderer's world, and it used to be done, I think, in long stitch. But the thing that actually distinguishes it is this very definitive upward movement. The quilt behind me is very traditional Bargello. It is a sequence of fabrics that remain in the same sequence. This has actually a colour repeat, but the fabric choice is from here to here, and you can see it repeats up here. So Bargello is a strip-pieced technique made with a cylinder, and the fabrics always stay in the same sequence. So here we are. Nice. We've got 6 pieces of fabric, so they lie absolutely nice and flat in front of me. And they're the same as this one, so this was the one I cut for here. Now, with Bargello, what we're going to do is cut uneven pieces to give us this lovely movement up here. That with Bargello, the colours speak for themselves. With this little Christmas mat, then what I've done is I've added, just as a feature, I've added a 3D little piece which I call flat piping.